What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video we got a Honda Accord here and all the brake lights are on. Okay, no one's in the vehicle, no one's pressing the brake, car's empty, and all the brake lights just stay on. Overnight it will drain your battery. So it's a simple little solution. If your brake lights are not working, or if they're staying on like this and without pressing the brake pedal, simple little issue. I'm gonna show you exactly. We're gonna go inside the vehicle, and it's called a brake switch. Okay, brake switch has a brake switch stopper. I got a brake switch over here from another vehicle. So pretty much this is your brake switch right here. So let's pretend this is your brake pedal here. The brake switch stopper has a little rubber boot where this sits on. So over time, if that breaks, that little rubber piece breaks, or if the switch goes bad itself, like it shorts itself out of there, or if your relay is bad, so make sure you check your relay, this little guy will stay open like that and your lights will stay on all time. Okay, all you need to do is put something, or put a brake switch stopper or a nickel, dime, or coin, and replace it with something, and that should take care of your issue. So let's take a look, and I will show you how to change a brake switch on this vehicle. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go inside the vehicle here. I'm gonna show you. So this car, I already have fixed the issue, but I do want to show you what I did here. So pretty much, let's put the seat back. It's a lot of garbage here. Let's get that out of the way. So right down here is your brake pedal. Right here. Oh, we got some cool lighting down here. But they're not connected because I noticed in the back when I did the work, it doesn't have any wiring. So anyways, you're gonna have a couple of screws like this. We're gonna have to remove this little guy right here. So let's pull out the key from the ignition. It's annoying. Anyways, this little guy right here comes off, and after that, you're just gonna have to pull on each side. Just pull this forward. Okay, this is old, so it comes out pretty easy. You're gonna have a couple of connectors here. Remove them. We only got one over here. Let's take that off. Okay, once you got that off, this bottom cover needs to come off. And the bottom cover has these little white little clips, so you're gonna have to yank it really hard from each side. There's like 3 of them. And from the back end, it just sits all the way over there, and it comes off right there. You see that little mechanism right there? So this is what the alarm people will do to your vehicle. Anyways, we got ourselves a brake switch right here. You see this little guy? This little grommet down here, if you're missing this plastic piece here, your brake switch is gonna go right through. So that's the piece I replaced. So it pretty much sticks right through in there. Put a little bit of lube and it sticks right in. You're gonna have to hold it up like that. But anyways, to get rid of this switch here, brake switch, if your switch is bad, all you need to do is push on this tab here, and this little guy, this connector comes off. And after that, you buy yourself a new switch. All you need to do here is very simple and easy. You turn this baby counterclockwise, just like that, and this guy comes off. So get yourself a new switch. So these switches can short internally, or it could be the grommet is bad. If you want more space, sometimes this piece goes bad, your brake switch will, sometimes your brake switch itself would just lean back because it came out of the housing, or the housing is bad, so this plastic piece would go bad. I had that occasion on a Infiniti. So if that's the case, get yourself a new plastic housing here, this brake switch holder here. So the grommet is usually will be your issue here. You could call it a grommet, or you could call it a brake switch stopper, okay? Because it has a hole right through. This thing will go right through. But if your brake switch backs off, that's another way. So to put a new switch in, you take a new switch, you put this baby in, just like that. Okay, you're just gonna have to find the slot, okay? It can go any direction you like. It's probably gonna fit only 1 or 2 directions. It doesn't matter which way, here or here, it does not matter. So I'm gonna just find a slot where it fits. So you do need to push in on it, so that switch is, and your pedal is backed out already. So this baby goes in and it turns, and it's gonna feel a little click to it. And then you put your connector back in. Bada bing, bada boom. And all you need to do is have somebody help you push the brake pedal and check your lights. Should no longer be like this. They're not working. You see that? They're not on no more. So that's how it's supposed to be. So if your switch is bad, So replace it. I would replace your switch as well. It's only like a $20-$30 piece. And replace that brake switch stopper. And a relay. Relay is another thing I would just go ahead and tackle it and replace it. Anyways, thank you for watching my video. Let me just show you a relay for brake lights, okay?